Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to disable test mode watermark message in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error. Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open on CMD command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this, type a command is bcd edit space dash set space testing testigning space off and press enter. Now you can see that the operation completes successfully. After doing this set, type a exit and exit the command prompt. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.